Welcome, you Larrys. So we're continuing on our holiday practice exam questions. Today we've got one that says find the set of values of x satisfying the inequality 3 modulus x minus 1 is less than modulus 2x plus 1. And when I do these, I like to just do a little quick sketch of what these functions are going to look like. So we've got something like this, say. And let's plot the 3x minus 1 first, and we'll do this in blue. We know that at 1 here, let's say this is 1, it's going to meet the x-axis. And here's 2, and here's 3. So we're going to have something like this. At 1, it's 0. At x equals 2, it's going to be 3. So 1, 2, 3. So it'll look like this. Okay, and then back this way, we're going to have this sort of thing going on. So this is 3 modulus x minus 1. Now let's use red to look at the other function here. This one is going to be crossing at minus a half because, or meeting the x-axis at minus half because 2 times minus a half plus 1 is 0. Hopefully you remember what the modulus sign does. It turns whatever your result is in the middle to a positive. So this one is going to be slightly less steep. So it'll be something like this. Now this is really rough and it's not accurate at all. We could plot them more accurately if we wanted to, but we're being asked for the set of values that satisfy 3, or blue is less than red. And you can see that it's going to be this sort of area here. Maybe we could highlight that. So what we're looking to find is this area here. Where is that on the x-axis? Okay, so let's set about trying to figure that out now, I guess. My favoured method for solving these ones is to square both sides. So I'm going to square this side first. Now, if I square 3, that's 9, and if I square x minus 1, I'm going to get x squared minus 2x plus 1. And then if I square the other side, I'm going to get 4x squared plus 4x plus 1. If you're having trouble following that, you probably want to go back to FOIL, but I'm sure at your level you should be fine with this. Let's expand our brackets. So we have 9x squared minus 18x plus 9 is less than 4x squared plus 4x plus 1. So pull everything across and we should end up with, 5x squared minus 22x, yes, plus 8 is less than 0. So now let's factorize this. So when we factorize this, I'm going to have a 5x in the first bracket, obviously an x in the next bracket, and minus 4 here, that gives us our 20, and then minus 2 here. So we've got x equals 4 or 2/5. This part here, these two values are where the functions meet. So we could say this bit here, that is 2/5, and this bit here is 4. And now we can clearly see that what I sketched before was totally inaccurate, but you get the general idea. Okay, so let's go back to the question. We're trying to find where red is less than blue. So if we were to write that, we would say it's 2/5 is less than x is less than 4. So that is the set of values for where blue the blue function is less than the red function. And that will be my final answer in this. I hope that makes sense to you. If not, do feel free to email me and I can clarify if possible. Okay, good luck guys.